This video is providing generator power to your home in the event of a power outage. This is for a home with all electrical appliances. Are all homes the same? Well, they may appear to be the same on the outside, but inside, the things that are in them may be different, such as gas appliances or electric. You may have both. Make sure that you identify what you have in your home. We do have some assumptions for this video, and that this home is for all electric appliances, and it does have a well. You know how to use a circuit breaker, and you know where your circuit breaker panel is located. Also, you have a generator, you know how to use it, and you've had the generator and the connections inspected by a licensed electrician. Some equipment that you're going to need: battery operated carbon monoxide detector. We're not going to have electrical power, so we want a battery operated one. Next, a generator and an extension cord. Now, this generator and extension cord must be rated for your power requirements. And then we're going to need a flashlight. We'll also need hearing protection. Our generator is loud. And then we want to have extra batteries. Batteries for our flashlight and for our carbon monoxide detector. So our directions. First, locate your home circuit breaker panel. Next, open it up and locate the main disconnect breaker and place it in the off position. This is very important that you turn the main off. This is an electrical hazard. If you do not turn the main off, you're going to be energizing the circuit all the way down to where possibly the person that is trying to restore the power is trying to fix your line. Next, we want to turn off high amperage drawing items, such as our furnace and our well, our air conditioning, and our hot water tank. And then we want to make sure that our generator breaker is in the off position. This controls the outlet that our generator is plugged into. Next, place your generator outside and free from obstructions. Be careful that the exhaust is not blowing into a window or a door. Again, carbon monoxide. We'll go ahead and connect our generator, taking the extension cord, plugging one end into the generator. The other end is going to be in that designated outlet. Next, we'll start the generator, let it warm up and stabilize. Locate your generator circuit breaker in your circuit breaker panel and turn it to the on position. And you should have lights. Remember, do not overload your circuit. This is temporary power only. It's for essential items such as your refrigerator and some lights in the home. Monitor your generator. Make sure that it doesn't run out of gas. When power is restored, we're going to go ahead and go to that generator circuit breaker in our circuit breaker panel, and we're going to turn it to the off position. You will lose power to the home at this time. Next, we're going to turn our generator off. We will disconnect our plug from our designated outlet, and then we will remove the plug from the generator. Next, you'll locate your main disconnect or your main breaker in the circuit breaker panel. Turn it to the on position, and you should have power. One at a time, we're going to go back and restore our system. So if we turned our furnace off, we will turn it on. Air conditioning, go ahead and place that to the on position. Hot water tank, again, turn them on one at a time. Don't turn them on all together at the same time. We do have some troubleshooting steps. If our generator will not start, check your on-off switch. Make sure it's in the appropriate position. Check your fuel level. Make sure that you have fuel. And lastly, check your fuel selector valve. Make sure that it is in the proper position. If we have no power to the home with the generator running, check our generator circuit breaker in the main circuit breaker panel. Make sure that it is in the on position and that it did not trip. Next, check your circuit breakers on the generator itself. It has fault protection inside the generator. What if my carbon monoxide detector is sounding? Find out where your generator is. Make sure that it hasn't moved somehow or the wind is not blowing the carbon monoxide into the home. Next, check your batteries. If you haven't replaced them, replace them. And lastly, if it continues to go off, turn the generator off.